Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we have something very cool. 2024 Alfa Romeo QUADRIFOGLIO Carbon Edition. Hop on in, we'll tell you all about it. Okay, so here we are, 2024 Alfa Romeo QUADRIFOGLIO Carbon Edition. 3,000 mile, one owner car. It's absolutely immaculate throughout. We'll do a quick cold start here. She fires right up. Great exhaust note. Fuel low, so we're going to go get some fuel. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, so here we are, 2024 Alfa Romeo QUADRIFOGLIO Carbon Edition. 500 horsepower, V6 twin turbo. Great automatic paddle shift. The car really does drive spectacularly. Beautiful day today. Full plethora of options, beautiful red interior. We're going to take her through her paces here along the twisties a little bit. Can downshift with the paddles. I don't know if you can hear that exhaust note, but it really does sound good. Here we are, we got a little temperature in, we got a little fuel in her. Fully loaded car. It's got lane departure, it's got heated seats, it's got heated steering wheel, obviously climate control. Right now we have her in drive mode. Opens up the exhaust valves. A little more sporty throttle response. You can probably hear it now. Sportier shifting as well. Really fully loaded car. With the Carbon Edition, you get quite a bit of carbon bits. Front and rear diffusers. Outside mirror covers are carbon. You have A-pillar covers that are carbon. Listen to that exhaust note again with that 500 horsepower. Excellent throttle response. Instantaneous acceleration. Open her up a little bit. Great handling. This car also features a Harman Kardon, Apple CarPlay, Android audio system. Really, what a great little car to drive. 4-seater. Stick 5 people in this comfortably. 0 to 60 is 3.8 seconds, which is just tremendous in a 4-door sedan. We're going to come up to the farm road and we'll be back to you. All right, here we are. Step on it a little bit. We'll give it a little downshift here. Matches the red when it downshifts. Wow. Really awesome car. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. One of those cars where I really don't feel like going back to work, but have to go. So comment, like below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.